morning? What we doing?
We doing go to the school.
Yeah. And today is Friday.
And Thursday.
Today is Friday, so it's the last day of school for the week. Already. Already. Ready for school? Alright, we're gonna go soon, okay?
Okay.
So Tyler is ready for school and I am ready for workout. So you're gonna say maîtresse. Maîtresse is teacher in French. So he says gonna see his teacher. Yeah, she wear blue yesterday. So every day he comes home, he tell us what color maîtresse wear.
Mama,
Yes, Stella. So she changed in green and then she changed in blue. Her first day she had on blue. Yes, had on green, and yesterday she had on blue. So each day he tell us what color she was wearing. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you guys are back into your routine with your kids going to school. Like I am back in my routine somewhat, and back to my working out. Fizz is here, no shouting. Back into my workout routine. Getting back wasn't easy, but I get it done. That's all that matters. So make sure you guys get your workout in. So have a good day, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and doesn't matter how long it takes you to resume something that you enjoy doing, just do it. Let nobody tell you that you can't do it. See faves there? You have faves to come? All right, go, they're coming. What you want to show faves?
I'm cooking.
You're cooking?
Yeah.
All right, I'm putting faves right here so you can cook and show them, okay?
I'm cook.
Look, there. Show faves what you're cooking.
I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Halaga. Halaga. You see, it's hungry because Mama's hungry. Mama? Mama?
Yes?
Come show Pap. Come,
Yes,
come show Faves.
You're what?
Come show Faves.
I can't hear you.
Come show Faves.
Oh.
Come show Faves.
You're showing faves?
Yes.
Okay.
Come show Faves, Mama. Come show Faves.
Say faves, I'm off to school. See you guys later.
Faves, I'm after question.
Anyway, you guys, we are heading out right now. Yes, Stella? What is that?
It's a wheel.
Okay, I see. Anyway, guys, we're off to school and off to workouts I ran outside after I dropped Tyler, and I came home and ran some more on the treadmill. So I think running is enough for today. Because I haven't worked out for a while, I can't go in full blast. I have to just take time and ease myself into it. And this little workout space is so good, but it's so jumbled around here. There's so much fandangles around here that we have to sort out. But circumstances beyond our control, we can't sort it out just yet. But soon and very soon, this space will be awesome. This space will be awesome. So run's done. Now I'm going to go do some abs and finish up workout real quick. Workout was a real struggle this morning. You know, the thing about working out is that when you've been working out and then you stop and to resume, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. But every miko make a moko. Ha! That's a Jamaican expression for today. I'll tell you guys what that means. When babe gets home, hopefully I'll remember. Hopefully I'll remember what it is. Right now I'm going to make some green juice, of course, before I make breakfast, which is going to be plantain and eggs. So have my greens here, celery, cucumber, and I'm going to add an apple and some ginger. And the green juice will be ready. You guys, breakfast is going down. Y'all know once I have plantain, then it's gonna be plantain for breakfast. Like a subscriber said, my organs must be looking like plantain. I love plantain. You guys don't understand how much I love plantain. I'd eat plantain for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Kryptonite. You guys, so today I decided to make some red peas soup for dinner. And though I don't have any beef, I am going to use chicken. I'm going to use what I have, but I so want this soup. Though I'm going to supermarket today, I can't wait. So I'm going to go ahead and start making this soup. So all I have in here is some water and red peas, and I'm going to go ahead and throw my pumpkin in here, which I diced up, and I'm going to let this pressure. As you guys can see, I'm using the pressure cooker. So I'm going to close this and let the peas cook. I'm not going to put the chicken in there as yet, because if I put the chicken in the cooker, then it's going to mash out. So all I have in here right now is peas, pumpkin, and I'm just gonna tip a little bit of salt in it so that this doesn't cook too fresh. All right, there we go. All right, and then we're gonna let this cook for about 45 minutes. Here are some of the things that I'm gonna add to the soup. I have corn, Irish potatoes, and carrots. Of course, if I was in Jamaica, I would have yellow yam. I can't find yellow yam where I am, mostly white yam, so I really don't buy it. So no yam is gonna go in my soup. But then the king, the boss, this is dumpling. So I'm gonna use these to make small spinners and small dumplings, because I don't want my dumplings too big. So I have flour here, which if you don't know how to make dumpling, then girl, you need to know how to make dumpling. This is just flour, salt, and I gradually add small amount of water until it forms this dough. And then this is the chicken that I'm going to add to it. So these are all the things that I'm going to put into the soup after the peas and the pumpkin finish cooking. And while dinner is going, I am gonna make me some lunch. I'm gonna make just a simple salad with avocado and lettuce, and I'm gonna do some escalope on the stove right now. So let's go. So that way, when I'm ready for lunch, I don't have to go prepare it. I can just pick it up and eat. Peas finish cooking in the pressure cooker, and here's what we got. Pumpkin is cooked and mashed out. So now, pressure cooker lid is off. I'm going to go ahead and put that back on the stove. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to throw in everything that I cut up earlier. So I'm going to put in the chicken in. Just like that. I'm just throwing everything in. And throw in carrots. Everything. And now I am going to add my spinners to this, and then add some seasoning to it. So I'll show you the seasonings that I'm gonna put in. Bear in mind now, I'm not gonna put back the pressure cooker cover on it. I'm just gonna put a normal pot cover on it, like this one. Boom. Just like that. And this is what lunch looks like for today. This is my lunch. This is some escalope, and this is tomatoes, avocado, lettuce, red onions. Yeah, that's basically it. Looks yummy. Normally I'd add carrot to it, but I don't feel like it today, so that's what lunch is gonna be. Okay guys, dumpling is in. You guys can see all these dumplings. Yes, I made some little spinners long ones, and I made some little round ones. The truth is about Jamaicans is that you cannot make soup and don't give Jamaicans dumpling. We don't want it. Straight up. All right, so what I'm gonna put in right now is that I'm gonna drop some thyme in there, and I'm gonna drop garlic, and my garlic was springing, so it have a little skeleton at the end. However, normally what else I would drop in there is hot pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and then I would add scallion, but I'm out of those as I'm going to the supermarket today, so my soup won't have that. But don't worry, what I'll add to the soup to give it a little kick, because I don't want it that pepper, because my son is of course gonna drink it. I'm gonna add just a little touch of black pepper to it, just to give it a little oomph. Yes. And then I am going to go ahead and add my soup it up cock soup. See that? See that? See that? Can't cook soup without this. If you don't have this on your cooking soup, wrong. You're just wrong, shawty. So I'm gonna put this in it right now. And a lot of people put this at the very end of their pot, but here what I like to do. I like to put one to cook with everything, and then I like to put one when I almost finish. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright you guys, so this is just gonna stay here and cook until it's ready. Look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. And there we go, guys. You have your thick, yummy red peas soup. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, my baby's gonna be in heaven when they get home. You guys, my heart is beating so fast. I'm on my way to go pick up Tyler, and I just see one of the scariest thing I've ever seen in life. So I'm minding my own business, going to find Tyler. I'm so nervous. Minding my business, going to pick up Tyler, and the car just pull up beside me and stop. And by the time I look to see why is this person stopping behind me, I hear boom, a big bang. Another car hit into the back of that car. Like, oh my god, that's crazy. Just crazy. Very, very crazy. My skin is literally running cold right now. Anyway, you guys, I'm on my way to go pick up Tyler, so see you guys in a bit. So you guys, I'm walking back past where the accident happened and the two cars is still there. So it's these two cars in front of me. That's it. You guys, there's my bowl of soup that I'm gonna grab on right now. Can't wait. Yes, Ty? Look who's home! Say hi, Faves. What you doing? You wanna show the Faves what you did at school? What you scared of? Don't be scared. What is it? What is that? Yeah! You made it?
Yes.
Good job. Bravo.
Mama.
Yes.
Hi, fish.
Say notifications.
Notification.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Goes to
Goes to
Sash underscore love.
Just underscore love.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Thanks for watching.
No, my muscle.
Okay. Say, look in the camera. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.